Welcome to Access a Trader, the #1 community for those who are committed to taking control of their trading in order to achieve success, profitability, and longevity. Thank you for joining us. Here's Dan Shapiro to help you find your edge, master your process, and own your future.
Hey guys, good evening everybody. Welcome to another edition of the AccessATrader.com nightly wrap-up show. Hope everybody is having a good day. Hope everybody had a good trading day. Coffee first. So let's talk about it. Usually you don't have a very, very aggressive trading session on a Monday, especially when you close the weekend off at all-time highs. You just don't have that big aggressive action because, again, last week you saw a really, really linear big move, especially towards the end of the week. And the one question we had, if you guys remember, over the weekend, from last Thursday and Friday going into today, can these beta names wake up? Okay, can these beta names wake up, or was this going to be the beginning of something more? Again, once it's okay, twice is coincidental. The third time around, you have a rounding, right? Rounding top, and we can start coming in here. And I thought today was a very, very important day technically, not because the market could have went lower. It's not about the market. It's about the names that, again, we talk about that represent speculation inflows. And again, Teslas, Netflixes of the world, Roku's of the world, the Amazons, the Nvidias, the Apples, can they hold up, right? Or are they going to pull everything back eventually when a rounding top kind of plays out over a week or so? And we got our answer. Okay, we could have easily had a big rollover today. Roku was just a destruction. We'll talk about the actual pivots in a second. But Tesla could have given up. And I said to myself, I really don't want to short Tesla today. I really don't want to short Tesla today. Please, God, don't let me short Tesla today. Don't let me short Tesla today. And you really have to like what you saw today in the morning. The market did take a little bit of time to kind of get its feet together. If you guys remember, I don't think we did anything within the first half hour. Okay, we were very, very patient. Matter of fact, I think I tweeted out, I'll tell you what time this was. I think I tweeted out early in the morning, and it was, I'll tell you right now what time it was. It's just, again, there's actually a point to this. I tweeted out, let's see here. Yeah, this was 7 hours ago, okay? And this was the tweet. I have not put on a single trade yet, nothing confirmed in either direction. Maybe value comes in the 10 o'clock candle. The reason why I say this, and again, I really, really try to drive the point home that you don't need to trade within the first 30 minutes. You don't need to. You like to. You see some big aggressive potential. But again, there's a social media adage that says, my God, if I don't put on a trade by 9:32, the day is over. It's so farther from the truth. Remember, dumb money trades in the morning, and dumb money needs to capitulate, or dumb money needs to chase. When dumb money can't confirm a channel or chase a channel or get a channel to break down, they wait. And the same thing with technical analysis. The only way chasers come in if a stock takes off, or panic sellers come in if the stock starts confirming down. So we needed to wait. And we sat there. And then next thing you know, like the floodgates opened up. Very, very aggressive. And again, you really have to believe that, especially you guys in the live webinar. Again, you guys in the Twitter feed, you guys don't see this. You guys don't have the interaction. You guys don't have the play-by-play of the markets. I'm speaking 7 hours a day. There's no mystery. There's no there's no surprises. We kind of see where everything is coming, how things are playing out. And boy, oh boy, today started out slow and things got really, really aggressive. From the technical view, again, NASDAQ continues to be strong. There was basically nothing more structurally we talked about. This was supposed to happen. We talked about strength over the weekend, throughout the week. The only question was today, were they going to pull beta? And you got to give it up to the bulls, man. They protected the bottom of the ranges. And you can see that in Netflix that was strong the whole morning. This was actually the first one who held its ground and actually went. Tesla turned around on a dime, right? On a dime. Amazon strong the whole day. Nvidia strong the whole day. Apple, even though it was up a buck and change, it rested. You had Facebook woke up today. You had Alibaba strength in China. Even Boeing woke up towards the end of the day. So good structured market. The most important part is, again, we don't need one directional bias. We are trading both to the left side, to the upside, to the downside. It doesn't make a difference. And again, guys, I know a lot of you traders, and we constantly talk about this in the live webinar, But the guys and gals in the live webinar, they kind of see this every day, okay? You could sit there and wait for your perfect pitch, and when it comes, man, and when it does come, it's a wonderful thing because you see the levels being taken on the commentary I provide. Levels, one after another, get taken, and the most important part is you're not trading blind. You know exactly where everything needs to confirm, where the second entries are, and it turns out to be a pretty damn good thing. The only weird thing about it is how everything kind of sold off into the close, so that might affect tomorrow's morning, so maybe we might have to be a little more patient in the morning session, but you got to love the action. You really, really have to love the action. And today's pivots were super duper aggressive. And again, shocking, right? Shocking. It's the same stocks over and over again. Again, that's the whole point, guys. We trade the same names over and over again. There is no, there is no guesswork. When these things confirm, there's a second entry, beautiful things happen. It really is a beautiful thing. And let's talk about it, right? So Tesla held the bottom of the range. We talked about this 317.50, 318 level, the sneaky area, 319 build. I mean, what else does it say about Tesla, right? I mean, what else are you going to say about Tesla? Just a big move. Again, I kind of didn't like the sell off into the close, but boy, oh boy. I mean, look at this. I mean, look at this move. I mean, beautiful. I mean, absolutely beautiful. It took out the 317.50, took out the 18, took out the 19 and went to 22. Just a great stock. And again, it's very, very tough to find something better for Tesla. Roku is starting to become a really good friend of mine. Okay, I think it's becoming a really good trader. Netflix is still awesome. I traded today Tesla and Netflix to the upside, and Roku to the downside. It was perfect. It was absolutely perfect. I know a lot of you guys caught these trades as well. So Tesla was good. Intel, again, we talked about this in the video, and again, this is not my thing, but again, I don't need to be in these trades with you. This isn't social media that some guy, random avatars to tell you, well, you have to buy the stock right now, it's going to go. No, this is organic order flow, man. And again, you don't need to trade Tesla, you can trade Intel. You don't need to trade Intel, you can trade, God no, LCI, I don't know. But again, beautiful stuff. So Intel, we talked about 57.25, 57.30 on Intel. Again, just a grind it out. Beautiful move that went to 57.80. BYND, again, it's over, baby. It's over. BYND, again, if it builds below, can see 80. Any close below 80. Tomorrow, you see 74, 75. And again, they held it up all day. They sat there all day, 81, 82, 81, 82, 81, 82, 81, 82, 81, 82, 79. Magic, right? So again, congratulations for all you guys who are in this thing. And I think you see 74, 75 tomorrow. I think this thing goes lower. Netflix, again, monster. 290, 290, 50. I said it's going to get to, I said there's a puncher's shot, it gets to 295. Look at, so here's the 290, right? Here's the 290. Broke the 94, was a previous week's high, and it went 95.39. Huge move there as well. Roku, I had it to the upside and never confirmed. So what happens when a stock doesn't go up? Must go down. Beautiful move on Roku. Here was Roku, right? Here was a Roku, 143, huge area, held 3 times. If it builds below, it can flush. This was an understatement, okay? To say this thing flushed below 143 was an understatement. This thing just got massacred, right? So here was the 143. I actually went into this thing twice because I overbought it. Was it the first time or the second? Excuse me. I overbought it the second time, so by accident I got long. So I took like $1 and change out of it. So I screwed this up because I got long accidentally. I overbought my shares. But for all you guys who did hold, man, this was a huge move. A huge move. Went down 6-7 points. A big move there. Apple never made the second entry. Amazon, Tesla obviously never got down to 309. Yeah, I mean, beautiful moves, beautiful moves everywhere, right? Beautiful moves everywhere. Yeah, just one by one. You had call buyer come in, right? You had a call buyer come in on the 322.50s at 319. It really got it going. Again, for all you guys who haven't watched the workshop, we cover option flow in these pivots. It's so, guys, it's so important to watch these workshops. Watch the 2.0, continue to watch in the 3.0. It all correlates. And for all you guys who are in the feed, who we want to see the live webinar, because again, it's all about the development of the trader. It's not just putting in pivots, it's understanding why and making sure everybody's is okay. You really should check out the live webinar. So great action. I mean, really good action. Again, you know, can they pull the market at any point tomorrow? Absolutely they could. But again, you have to like what you're seeing in the action. It's giving you good value. The only question is, are you going to get 3 trades a day? Are you going to get 1 trade a day? Or are you going to get 15 trades a day? It's everything is possible in this tape because that's how strong the conviction area is. And as long as you're patient, good things are going to happen. So let me give you guys some ideas for tomorrow's session. You know, I like Amazon. First close today over 1804. Okay, it actually traded up to 1815. Honestly, I think there's a couple of ways to trade Amazon tomorrow. If it washes out, right? If it washes out into the bottom of the range, I like it on a dip. Okay, if it goes red to green, I kind of like red to green. Again, just note red to green is not a pivot; it's just momentum. But if it starts, because this Bollinger Band will go lower tomorrow, if this thing starts building any close now over 1814, I think Amazon goes to 1850. I really do. It's a beautiful chart. You know, Tesla, I don't know. I would have preferred Tesla to close close into the 320s, okay, but it didn't. So I'm going to leave that one alone. Tulo, I know Ivan has been all over this thing. Keep an eye on Tulo tomorrow, guys. Break below 91.50 or so. I think this thing goes lower. BYND, green to red, right? Green to red, or a breakdown below 79.50, 79. I think this thing sees 74, 75 by the end of the week, if not tomorrow. Microsoft has just been consolidating, okay? Guys, set an alert on Microsoft. It starts taking on building over 45. That looks good. I like this OSPN. Again, I try to give you guys as many non-beta names because, again, I do understand there's people who don't trade Amazon, don't trade Tesla. You know, OSPN looks pretty good. If it starts building 19, 19, 20, I think can go. And NEO looks pretty good as well. You know, nice looking chart. If it starts building above 2360, 2370, I think we can start to move into the 2460. So again, business as usual, guys. Great job. Just an absolute great job. And I know a lot of people in the room just going nuts today. So great job. I mean, great job. But again, most important part is understand it's over. Okay, there is no celebrating. There is no dwelling on it. Tomorrow's a new day. Again, you're a professional trader. You're supposed to make money. That's the whole point. You're supposed to make money. When you don't, you have to figure out why. Was it the market? Was it you? Was it your indecisions? Was your hesitation for whatever reason? Is it because, again, maybe you were just in a bad mood? You just, whatever it takes, if you don't make money today, you have to figure out why. And again, the whole point of having me in your corner, quote unquote, mentoring you is, again, use me. Email me, ask me questions. That's the whole point. If you're not, you're kind of wasting your time. Guys, great job today. God bless, and I'll see you all tomorrow.
Congratulations for putting in the time to take control of your trading. You're one step closer to owning your future and achieving the success you desire. Let us know what you learned today and what you'd like to see from us in the future videos in the comments below.